Hello, first grade. Miss Jen is back with our math lesson. And so today we are going to be talking about shape attributes. So attributes is like, the characteristic of the shape, right? So number 1 through number 4. So we are going to circle each object that has a flat surface that matches the shape, okay? So remember, we are going to circle the object that has a flat surface that matches the shape over here. So the first one we have, what is this shape? Square, right? This is not a rectangle because it has the same length of the sides. So we have a square. And which one of these objects have a flat surface that is a square? What do you think? Yeah, gum, this gum, it only has rectangle, right? Not a cube. I mean, not a square. What about the sticky note? Yeah, it has square surface. And the drums? No, it only has circle and rectangle if you lay it out. And the milk carton, it does have a square at the bottom. Yeah, over here. We can't really see it with our own eyes, but if you flip it over upside down, then we'll see a square at the bottom. So go ahead and circle the sticky note and the milk carton. Okay. Number 2, we have a circle. Which one of these objects have a flat surface that is a circle? Peanut butter container? Yeah, it has a circle over here on the lid and at the bottom of the container. We have a cube over here, so it does not have a circle. What about paper towels? Yeah, it has a circle because it's a cylinder shape. And the briefcase does not have a circle. So peanut butter container and the paper towel. Number 3, we have a rectangle. Let's see. We have a cone. Cone does not have a flat surface that is rectangle. Is this a book or just a box? Okay. Either way, yes, it does have a rectangle surface, flat surface. And a brick? Yes, it does. And canned tomatoes? No, it's a cylinder figure, so no rectangle flat surface. So this one and this one. Number 4, we have this long, rectangle over here, very long. So let's take a look. The spaghetti box. Yeah, it has a rectangle flat surface. And a book. Yeah, it has a rectangle flat surface. It doesn't have to be, as long as this one. It's just saying another rectangle flat surface. So yes, this one. And a cone, does it have a rectangle flat surface? Nope. What about a cube? Nope. Yeah, so this one, the first two objects, right? Okay. And I would like you guys to find, some other objects that you might have at home that has square, circle, or rectangle as flat surface. Yeah, will be fun activity. Okay, number 5, you'll have to draw the shape you would make if you trace the surface of a cone. Okay, so this is a little tricky question, but let's read the question one more time. Draw the shape you would make if you traced the surface of a cone. The surface is over here, right? Over here. So if you put it down, and if you were to trace the surface, if you were to trace the surface with your pencil on a paper, then what shape would you get? Yeah, you would get a, let's see if Mr. can draw a good circle. Circle, yeah. So the question is asking you if you were to trace the surface, which is over here, okay, then you would get a circle. Yeah. All right. The second page. Let's take a look. You're going to draw a line to match the shaded face of the figure to its shape. So shaded face is over here. You see the colored part? That's shaded face. Okay, you're gonna match the shaded face of the figure to the shape. Okay. All right, number 1. What figure do we have here? Yes, we have rectangular prism. And the shaded face features what figure? Rectangle. Yes, over here. Match, match, match. And number 2, what figure is this, first grade? Yes, it's a cylinder. And the shaded face features what figure? Yeah, circle over here. And we have a cube. And the shaded face of a cube features what shape? Yes, square. And lastly, we have a cone. And the shaded face of this figure features what shape? Right, we just drew a picture over here, right? It's a circle. So match. Okay. So first grade, we are almost done with our shape unit. Okay. I think we'll need to maybe spend 2 more days on this chapter. Yeah. So yeah, we're almost done, and I hope you have been enjoying talking about the different shapes and its attributes, because it's quite exciting chapter. Okay. If you would like, I would highly recommend you to try drawing these shapes in your notebook or any piece of paper, just for fun. Okay. All right. Number 2 and 3 are reviewing questions, which is fraction. Yeah. You're going to mark the fraction that names the blue part. And remember, when we have fraction at the bottom, we put the number for the whole set. And on top, we put partial, part of the set. Okay. So how many rectangles do we have here? Right, we have 2, right? So at the bottom, we need number 2. And how many blue parts do you see? Only 1, so we would need 1 on top. So 1 half. Number 3. Wow, look at this. Yeah, first grade, we talked about this shape before. What shape do we have here? We have, octagon. How do we know? We count the corners, right? So let's count the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you have 8 corners in a shape, it's called octagon, because octo means 8. Very good. But how many parts is as a whole set? How many different parts do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 4 at the bottom. Okay, both fraction has 4 at the bottom. But how many blue parts do you see? Yeah, only 1, right? So we would need 1 on top, which is this one, 1/4, a quarter, right? We talked about this too, quarter, okay? 1 out of 4, that's called quarter. So fill in the bubble over here and over here for half, halves or half, okay? And quarter over here. All right, so first grade, have fun. Enjoy drawing these different figures and shapes in your notebook or just on a piece of paper for fun. Yeah, and if you do it, then maybe you can show it to me tomorrow or on Thursday during our small group session. Okay. I look forward to seeing you guys, some of you guys tomorrow, and some of you guys on Thursday. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.